Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moon roof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.